Alright, what's this one? King of the Ring. Ooh, wrestling! Yeah! We both love wrestling. El Porcador. He's so fat he can't even walk. Whoa! But he can roll. Ooh. Huh? Oh, of course. Huh? Oh, he thinks he can become a wrestler. Well, not everyone can become a wrestler. Hank taught us that the hard way. Ugh, it's that muscle-bound pig with the big butt. Ugh. Like he's gonna stand a chance against this monster. Yeah. He is terrible at it. Whoa. Like that's gonna work. Oh boy. Nice try. Uh-oh. Oh! Uh-oh. Oh, he's mad now. He's toast. Yeah. Bacon toast. Oh! Well, he did succeed in one thing. What's that? Ooh. Making a fool of himself. They done made a toy of him now. Huh? He's happy because I made a toy of him? Yeah. Well, good thing Leonard's the king instead of this dope. Totes, bro. Totes.